how to sign up for DHgate affiliate program step by step. Signing up for DHgate affiliate program is quite simple. You want to first of all come to their official website, which is AFF, which means affiliate. So aff.dhgate.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link in the description box below. So go to aff.dhgate.com. Once you're here on the top right hand side, you'll find an option that says join free. You want to make sure to click on the join option right there. You can see DHgate.com affiliate program. All we have to do here is just simply enter the email address of our choice that we want to go ahead and then register with. And then we have to simply choose to create a password. So once you've created a password, you can review their terms and conditions and then click on the create my account button. So let me also go ahead and then basically enter the password that I want to use. Then I can click on create my account. Now the verification code will be sent on my mail. You can also just try going to your mailbox right over here. And once you've done that, you will be able to set this type of interface right here. So let this load up and then I'll just go ahead and then copy and verify the code as well. And as I've done that, I can click the next option and my DHgate affiliate program account will be successfully registered. This way I can sign up for DHgate affiliate program. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.